वेलकम बैक। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं फेस्टिव सीजन चालू है एंड हमारे पास इतना कुछ है करने के लिए कि खाना बनाने के लिए बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं बचता। सो डोंट वरी, आई हैव अ 2 ingredient easy quick pasta recipe for you, and without further ado, let's begin. जो 2 ingredients है जो मैं यूज करने वाली हूँ to make pasta, they're very basic. The first one obviously being pasta. The one I am using is a penne pasta because ये personally मेरा preference है. I just like the shape and the taste of this. अगर आपको spaghetti पसंद है तो please feel free to use spaghetti or whatever kind of pasta you like. The second ingredient that I have is this pizza and pasta sauce. Now this one is by Sausome. मैंने इतने जगह देखा था and I'm so glad that I finally tried it. बस मुझे इतना पसंद आया, I am glad I'm able to share this recipe with you. The first step to making this is to boil the pasta. So I'm going to put water in a pan and put about 100 grams of my pasta and let this boil for about 5 to 7 minutes.
5 minutes later.
I prefer it this way. If you want to boil it for another 5 to 10 minutes, you decide when you feel like your pasta is ready. I'm going to strain this out now. Wow. So I'm going to add about 100 grams of Sausome's pizza pasta sauce. Now keep in mind this is very potent. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि ज़्यादा sauce डालोगे तो ज़्यादा taste आएगा. The flavor and the quantity of this is not something you need to worry about. Itna sa will take you a long way, so only this much I'm going to put. Now that I'm done mixing my sauce, I'm going to let it cook for about 1 more minute.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
My pasta is ready. तो मुझे मेरा pasta बहुत cheesy पसंद है. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna put a lot of cheese in my pasta. So this Sausome already has all sorts of seasonings. So I'm not gonna do the whole oregano chili flake situation. I feel like मेरा pasta बहुत complete है. And the thing with Sausome is that मुझे ingredients ढूंढने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एक छोटे से पैकेट में आपको सब कुछ मिल जाता है. All you need is pasta, water and Sausome. आपको नहीं ढूंढना है salt, oregano, spices, कुछ ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं है. Everything is there. So this was my easy 2-ingredient pasta with Fazani Sausome, and I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you tried this, and also comment below and let me know if you've tried Sausome before because I really love their range. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time.
Is it good?
It is so good. I love it.
I also want some. Really yummy.
Too good, yeah.
It has that perfect herb, salt, spices are balanced, and that cheese is like a cherry on the top.
Proper Arabiata.